Bonnie, happy new year, happy 2021. I am so excited to be sharing Avon with you in 2021. There's a lot of neat new stuff coming up. So this is kind of a what's new. There's an amazing deal going on right now at Avon with the bundles online. Wanted to talk about some upcoming campaigns. We're in campaign 2 now currently, which is all about the Physio Gel. So if you're interested in a really nice skincare, dermatology tested, um, it's basically for sensitive skin. Definitely check out what Avon has with the Physio Gel. You do get a free try it size with any purchase of the Physio Gel products online. So campaign 2 is actually going to go until Tuesday of this coming next week. And then we are moving into campaign 3. Check it out. And this is actually going to be a new line of the supplements that is coming out. It is called Retune. So if that's something that you're into, you're going to want to check that out. Today, though, I really want to talk about these New Year's bundles that Avon is doing. I'm going to put the link below. There's actually a typo on the screen here. They're called Beautiful Bundles, and there are 3 of them. There's a Skincare Essentials bundle, a Makeup Maven must-have bundle, and then the Me Time Pampering bundle. And it says on top, $135 value for only $30. It's actually $30 for reps, and on the consumer website, they are $50. So you can do one of 2 things. They're actually a really good deal at $50. So if you spend $60 on the online store, you're going to get free shipping. So you're going to save $8 right there. Everybody loves the free shipping. That is a really good deal. Or you can actually just sign up as a rep today and purchase these bundles for $30. So whichever way you want to do it, it's still a good deal. Either way, I did get the Makeup Maven one for myself. I really love those the lipsticks that you get in there. I needed a mascara, so I was super excited to get that one. So definitely check out those bundles. They are a super good deal. I will put the link to purchase below. I also wanted to talk a little bit about some of the things I'm going to be reviewing. So I've been using these jelly sticks. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. The VDL jelly stick lipsticks. They're a lipstick and blush combo. I'm going to do a more in-depth review, but they're super pigmented, and you can use them on your cheeks and your lips. This is one of my new favorite products for 2021. So I'm super excited about that. A couple of other new things coming for Avon. In the spring, we have the Belief Garden. This is a new fragrance, which is pretty cool. And there's also a ton of Valentine's Day stuff coming in campaign 4, which is super exciting, including, let me grab this, you guys, including the FMG Love. This is a multi-palette. Just pull this out. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Grab this. It says love on the front. This would make a really neat Valentine's Day gift, actually. And then when you open it up, it's got the super cute, it's got like a blush, an eyeshadow, a highlighter, I believe. But it's really cute for Valentine's Day. That would make a really cute gift. So we got a lot of neat little Valentine's Day things coming up. Oh my gosh, in jewelry, holy moly, I got a lot of jewelry videos to do for you guys. Check this out. I got this for Valentine's Day. I really like this necklace. This is just a super cute red heart necklace. And then we also have the this green necklace. I've been wearing this a lot lately, especially for my Christmas videos, but this is pretty in the spring too. So lots of good jewelry coming from Avon in the spring. Also, don't forget, you guys, that Avon now has the perfume skin softeners. These are, I believe these are $3.99 now. These are super popular, and all the, you know, classic scents like Night Magic smells so good. So don't forget about these too. So like I said, I just wanted to come on, give you a little heads up sneak peek that there's a lot coming for 2021. We also have a lot of home products coming. Can't wait to show you those. So lots of good stuff. So definitely hit the subscribe button. I will be back with more stuff. I actually just placed an order for one of those bundles, so I will be unboxing that soon. But definitely go click on the link below. Check out the bundles if you're interested in those, and if you're interested in signing up to be an Avon rep in 2021, it is free again. They're doing the free thing. So that's super exciting. So thank you so much for joining me. Happy New Year. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.